Do you have something? Do you have something to say?
Can you guys stop calling me cute? I'm not cute. I'm mean and scary, and I'll kick your butt. So, thanks.
I told you don't play with me, nigga. And she be acting funny, probably think a nigga need. I thought I was faking, she say I'm a cheat. They thought I was taking, I'm ready to mingle. The fuck is you saying, little nigga? I do my little dancey dance, I got my pen.
Hayır. Şşşt. Sirius, anneye hayır. Senin ağzını burnunu yerim. Anneye sert hareketler yok. Anne seni çok seviyor. Hadi yatmaya gidelim. Şimdi de yapmış bak.
Is there a problem? Ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am? Is that a bunny?
Daddy! What are you doing?
Kayısıcan, hangi birini yersin oğlum? Kuru mama mı, yaş mama mı? Aferin benim oğlum.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Oh no, I hope I don't fall. Can't no hoe tell me shit. Cause bitch, I'm the shit. Oh, my mom and my sis.
And I'm telling you, Bob, with a body like that, a face like that, and legs like hers, she's gonna be a Victoria's Secret supermodel.
Me voy a matar, te me gusta, uy.
such a handsome young man. Can you give us a big smile?
Tell Jesus that the bitch is back.
I was in a 2-on-2 on the uptown, and nigga, you know what?
混乱するぜ。いやいや、お前も動くなよ。死ぬぞ。
We have a friend. Oh, he took the cheese.
Ojalá me lleve el diablo.
Her fur is woolly and warm and ready to take on the cold northern weather. And her teeth are pretty sharp too already.
And even though she's small, not so tough, and could never survive on her own yet, she's already doing something very, very, very wolf-like. She can already howl.
And because howling is all about talking to other wolves, we've got to be those other wolves and get her going. Howl!